Welcome to this fascinating journey into the world of one of the most legendary and powerful gemstones, the ruby. Known for its deep red color and strong symbolism, rubies have been treasured for thousands of years. The name ruby comes from the Latin word ruber, meaning red. Throughout history, rubies have symbolized power, passion, and protection, often worn by kings, warriors, and nobles. Rubies are a variety of the mineral corundum. When corundum is red, it's called ruby. When it's any other color, it's classified as sapphire. The red color is due to trace amounts of chromium. Part 4. Ruby ranks 9 on the Mohs scale of hardness, just below diamond, making it extremely durable and perfect for jewelry worn every day, especially rings and bracelets. Some of world's most valuable rubies come from Myanmar, especially from the Mogok region. These rubies are known for their vibrant pigeon blood red color and exceptional clarity. Other significant sources include Thailand, Sri Lanka, Mozambique, and Vietnam. Each region produces rubies with unique color tones and internal characteristics. The most prized rubies are transparent with a vivid red hue and few inclusions. However, even rubies with visible inclusions can be extremely valuable, especially if the color is strong. Rubies have played important roles in many cultures. In ancient India, they were called the king of precious stones and believed to protect their wearer from harm. In medieval Europe, rubies were thought to guarantee health, wealth, wisdom, and love. Warriors would embed them into their armor for protection in battle. In modern times, rubies are associated with passion and courage. They're often gifted on the 40th wedding anniversary and are also the birthstone for July. Natural rubies are very rare, especially in large sizes. That's why high-quality rubies can sell for more per carat than even diamonds. Part 12. One of the most famous rubies is the Sunrise Ruby, a 25.59 carat Burmese ruby that sold for over $30 million, setting a world record for any colored gemstone. Part 13. Many rubies on the market are heat-treated to improve their color and clarity. This is a common and accepted practice, but untreated rubies are far more valuable. Part 14. Rubies often have tiny internal features called inclusions. Some inclusions create a silk effect, and when cut as cabochons, they can display a star-like reflection called asterism.